Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. The graph you have seen here, this is the sanitization graph. I mean, in a pharmaceutical industry, sanitization is the important part for the water systems. So if you think about the purified water or water for injection, then you might consider the sanitization procedure of the total loop or sometimes the generation plant as well. So in case of sanitation system, if you see like a graph, so how I can generate this graph? This is the question. So in a regulatory point of view, if any kind of audit held in your plant, then sometimes auditor asks to see actually did you completed sanitization? Okay, let me see the sanitization graph. So sometimes if we show this type of graph when temperature normal temperature is 25, but during sanitation it is rising, and up to the 80 degree. For purified water system, sanitation temperature is more than 80, and for water for injection it is more than 80, more than 121 degree centigrade. So if I think about the purified water, its temperature is 80 degree. So it's a clear graph shown that temperature is rising, and it's hold almost 1 hour because 80 degree centigrade, and it will sustain for the 60 minutes. And again after 60 minutes, temperature cool down, unlike this graph. So how I can generate this graph? I will show you right now briefly. Okay, let's stay with me so that I can give you a clear concept how this is actually generated. The chart recorder, its model is EX16106. So first of all, we need to stop the chart recorder, and after stopping, we need to remove the memory card that is installed within this chart recorder. After stopping, there is a red color is top of the chart recorder. That means it's stopped. And after stopping it, we need to take out the chart recorder and put in the memory card reader and download the data what is available in the chart recorder. And we have to open the universal viewer software to read out the file. Type of data is coming, so I can open any one file as I wish. Say I open this file, and like this is only the graph, but this is not the clear graph here. So I know sanitization temperature is measured in the temperature sensor CH channel. I mean channel CH004. Where I can find this? I can find this in my chart recorder that is located in the front panel of the water system. So from the panel chart recorder, I can see actually which channel is for the temperature sensor. So if I think about CH4, as I know, so I will off all the things. Okay, now you see only temperature is here, nothing else here. So what can I do? I link all the file, link dual interval waveform. So I click it and wait, so that all the data come here. It will take sometimes wait. Here I got all the data. If you click here, you will see all the data is here available. So I will take only channel 4. So I remove all and remain the channel 4. Right now, I need to go for the setting. So in the setting, channel 4 is here. I will set the temperature, say, okay, 0 to 200. So sanitation temperature is almost 80 plus. So I link it 90. Okay. So I will find out actually why my temperature is rising. This is 25 or something like that. So I have to go to the positive. Yeah, its temperature is rising, so something is here. Yeah, temperature is rising here at this point. So I can minimize this. And now looking at better graph, if I maintain the 20 minute per division, I mean per division is 20 minute per division. So if I can plus, then it will not look like this, not looking good. So you reduce. So now it is okay, I think, looking good. Now you go for time. Now you go for. Now we'll go for the setting, and again channel 4. Here the grid value is 1. So if I make it grid value is 10, then it will look like, okay, grid value I make 10, I mean now sorry, dense grid, that is look good. Grid means you can say grid 3, but grid 4 is looking good. And view, if I think the line thickness, okay, line thickness is middle or thick, say middle, okay, graph is looking more good. Again, channel 4, channel 4. So if I write here for the setting, channel 4 here, if I write any comments here, say yes, 04. If I write sanitation temperature channel, say 04, then it will come here, sanitation temperature channel, say 004. Now what can I do? I can do, if I view the graph, you can do here, you can check here line thickness, pattern, channel name. I can share a comment here also. You look here TT4301. I mean the temperature look like TT4301 is the temperature sensor. That is actually TT4301 is the temperature sensor. Actually this sensor for the channel CH4. You can also view this here. Channel name, channel. You look CH004. If you will mention it, take comment, then it will show for the sensor. Now you will see the temperature actually here 80.94 and here 80.23. So I can make a statement here, comment line. Again, here is the comment line, so I can put the data is there. So here is the if you seen about this is 80 graph, this is also 80. So I can write the comment here. Sanitization of loaf. Here is the comment sanitization of PW loaf. Now for the positive, no negative, it's look good. So now I can need to print the graph. So how can I print the graph? I can go to the file, print setting option, and here is the graph look like. Print range, if I mention is cursor, then it's okay, it's a cursor. Line thickness, I can make it little bit thicker, 1.5, and graph front size, maybe it's 10 or 12 ppt, mention is 10. And you can write here comment also. Sanitization, purified water loop. Okay, now I will select the graph which I want to print. This is from here to here. Now file, print preview. Okay, you will see other data is here. So I go for the print, and here is the sanitization graph. Similar graph will come. Yeah. Now if I see about the graph, here is the graph. Sensation of purified water look like this graph is look very good. So if any auditor ask you actually your temperature remain 80 degree, please show me. then we can easily explain them. Yeah, its temperature is raging during sanitation, and it with a stand for the 60 minutes, and after that it will again cool down to the normal temperature. So that's all for me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.